Hi, I bottle my wines from cherry plum. So I will place them now. I place them now in the orgone accumulator just to I get. So it is aquavits which I put there. Actually, they have been inside a smaller accumulator, uh, orgone accumulator. So they are by uh, sh- any schnapps, even vodka, but I'm not using vodka, with mint, with walnuts, and with sage. If you see that something is missing, don't ask me why, and uh, because maybe my wife is watching this video. Okay, but from 2008 until now, it's missing nothing. Okay, it is bigger accumulator. Now uh, I will show you what is in the smaller accumulator, which I'm using under bench, place under bench. It is the just bottle wine from Cherry brand. Control them are outside, and they will sit that inside under bench, maybe 2 months minimum. We'll see. Uh, just a way you don't just to know that you don't have to have bigger one and smaller one. I place them in smaller one and under bench because to not occupy too much space in my workshop, in my lab here. So you can use only small one if you want. So why I'm treating them with orgone accumulator inside of orgone accumulator? Just to show, pardon, it is not just that I just curious. Actually, my view, orgone accumulator is orgone energy is in the scale of subtle energies. That means that they are low intensity. What they need time. So when I did fermentation inside of orgone accumulator, is relatively low time, slow time, because it goes about 2 weeks, and to be sure, 3 weeks. But even that it is very, how to say, fast for subtle energies, for orgone energy. Then that's why treating when it's bottled for a longer time, few months, even longer, like remember 2010, I placed them of aquavits. So if you want to use or when you want to heal yourself, it's need time. It doesn't. It's very rare that it's instant. If it is works at all, it's up to you. Mostly up to you. That's it. Bye.